Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Kuiper and I'm back today with a new science experiment. The supplies you're going to need today, you're going to need a glass plate, you're going to need some water that you're going to heat up, and you're going to need a dry erase marker. Alright, so for step one, you're going to take your dry erase marker and you're going to draw something into your glass plate. I'm going to draw some hearts because today is, well, this whole week is Teacher Appreciation Week. And I love all my teacher friends. The next step is you want to heat up your water. So I'm going to go heat this up in the microwave for 30 seconds and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have my hearts and I have my warm water. And to make this experiment work, all you're going to do is pour the warm water on top of your plate. And you'll notice that they start to come up. So now I have a floating heart right here. And if you wait a little bit, the other ones will come up too. And that's our experiment today. You can see my heart is moving. I hope you guys are staying safe, kind, and respectful. And we'll see you again on Thursday. Bye.